What's up, guys? The redneck mechanic. Just messing around out here. Got my bike here. Got cork right there. Granada, Dancecom, S&M, International Hardster. Got my S&M redneck stem still. Oh wow, this iPod Touch has a better camera. You can read that right there. I'm kidding. Oregon quarter from Oregon. Yay. S&M bikes. Redneck stem. Sticker. These are Fit Sky High bars. Says it right somewhere. Odyssey Trail mix pedals. KMC Crazy Chain. Tree stick pegs. Nope. Corey. It's him. It's him, yes. I got this pirate guy on my little Y303 rim thingy. I think. Yeah, right there. Y303. Got my Tectagramps and all this crap. Air compressor. Corey's bike. It's got a Hoffman rhythm. It's got fit grips, well-go pedals. It's got like a red line peg or whatever, you know. It's chilling out there. Got a 28 tooth sprocket that I snapped right there. That hurt. Wet floor cone and everything. Yeah, we're just chilling out. I know you're gonna watch this, Judas. You left my jacket here. Or you left your jacket here. So this is Judas's jacket, everybody. He wears this to school and whatnot. It's a medium, size 10 to 12. So yeah, he wears medium jackets. Just if anybody wanted to know, that's what he wears. Corey's over here trying to patch his tube. I got this exhaust down here. It wouldn't fit on my mower or anything, but it's pretty cool. Corey's stuff there. There's Corey. He's trying to patch a tube with hot glue and newspaper, because that's how rednecks do it. Yeah, hot glue he burned himself with, but it's all good. I got this hat. It has like a American flag on the side. Napa Shocks and Struts hat. Steel hat. Remington hat. That hat. This hat. It's the hat that I wear. Yeah, I got the shop towels. I use those and stuff. If this video's sideways, I'm gonna be like super ticked. It's my watch. It's OG. OG for like Oregon grown. Corey's helmet. Judas also left his skateboard here. Judas rides a girl, Eric Costin board. It's got a Thunder base plates and Royal hangers or whatever. Got a Dancecom magazine down there. Dancecom. So I get my parts. Beef top ramen flavoring. That's what goes down. My dad's car. Just chilling out. Cody's house is right there. His house. Right there. Not right there. Or right there. Not any of this. Right there. What that purple spider is. This is our garbage can. Got a whole buttload of tubes. From La Sierra. Some food from La Sierra. Top ramen everywhere. I got new boots. They're Air 8 boots. Pretty rugged. Pretty cool, pretty cool. This is what they look like from the inside. That's what they look like down in there. And yeah, so that's just my little bike check update. Just putting a video up because everybody wants me to put videos up, and I haven't put one up in like a couple weeks at least. So that's what I got, dude. Just doing whatever. This little electric meter thingy. Some dead mosquito eaters, you know. Yeah, but that's chill. Yeah. YouTube, I will see you soon. I don't know. I'll probably upload another video this week, like Monday through Friday, like the week time. Maybe I'll upload a video of the bus or of school or something. I don't know. But later, YouTube. I'll catch you later.